Happiness Day. So, today is March 20th, the International Day of Happiness. The day was introduced by the General Assembly of the United Nations during 2012 and was celebrated for the first time in 2013. Through seminars and educational tips and tools, the aim is educate and increase public awareness of the benefits of happiness. Everyone has their own definition of happiness or what makes them happy. So there is no set tradition for this day. Happiness is an inner feeling. So whatever makes you happy, do it please. On this day, I'm just happy that we are not important just. Making others happy makes this domino or happiness day in this routine way. History shows that a social happiness can last longer. So hopefully one day the world will share in this joy. So here are some tips that you can implement for that. Let's start. 1. Try to always have a positive mindset. See the positive sides of anything that you currently face and implement a positive attitude should be significant in improving your chance to be happier. Number 2, plan your work hours and relaxation hours for this day beforehand. Number 3, in the face of a bad situation, be calm and don't dwell too much on it. And think and try to implement an effective solution. Number 4, be optimistic about what you work on. Nobody can predict the future. Number 5, face up and solve problems immediately. Our happiness in the end largely depends on us. What we think and do will heavily influence whether we can have a happy day or not. So just this, be happy in any case. Bye.
What is happiness? What is it worth? Is pursuing happiness our purpose on earth? I think happiness is love, because if there was all the love in the world, everyone would be happy because there wouldn't be war.
Well, I think happiness for everyone might be a little bit different because some people's version of happiness might be different to others. For example, Marshall's version of happiness may be love, but my version of happiness may be getting something that I might have wanted.
I think happiness is the most important thing in life, because if you aren't happy, there's no point in really living, because you don't enjoy every moment of it and you don't think that it's a good thing.
I don't think you can necessarily put a price on happiness because there are many different levels of it.
What would really make me happy is to always be able to learn new things and discuss my findings and the things I learned with other people.
I think it's not possible to be happy all the time, and there's no such thing as complete happiness because there's always something in your life that's going to make you sad.
I think love and friendship and peace doesn't always bring you happiness.
I don't think there is true happiness, and if there is, there has to be some sort of sadness or anger that can make happiness look all the more better.
If everybody did love each other, not in an actual true love type of way, but just respected each other, then war might stop, and I think that would cause a lot of happiness.
Well, I think sometimes happiness can eventually fade away because, for example, I get something that I really wanted, but then maybe after a few months, I don't really feel the happiness anymore because eventually happiness fades away.
I think there's really no such thing as true happiness, and I think people just use it as a mask to cover the real emotions.
The reason why I think there's no true happiness is because that happiness is also always mixed in with other feelings such as guilt, sadness. Because when you get married and then you have a child, and let's say the child was born with some genetic disease, then you were happy when it was born, but when you learned about it, the happiness was also infused with sorrow. So it can't be true happiness.
I think happiness is when your mind is satisfied with something. If you're always satisfied about your life, and even if something sad happens, you'll mostly stay happy. So you could stay happy all your life.
I believe that to truly be happy, you have to appreciate that you are happy, or else one day when you're sad, you'll have to remember it so that then you can be happy again because you know what it feels like.